Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TikTok Shop seller login problems, account and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct TikTok Shop Seller Center region for your country because the wrong region can block access. Open an incognito or private browser window to remove old sessions that can cause repeated login loops. Clear your browser cache and cookies to delete corrupted login data stored on your device. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues with the Seller Center login page. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari to rule out browser-specific problems. Disable ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions temporarily because they can break login and verification screens. Turn off VPN or proxy tools because TikTok may flag the connection as risky and deny access. Switch networks by testing mobile data or another Wi-Fi to eliminate ISP or firewall restrictions. Check that your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time can fail security tokens. Go to the official TikTok Shop Seller Center URL from TikTok's official help pages to avoid fake or outdated links. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option and complete the reset only on the official page. Create a strong new password and avoid special patterns that you already used on previous accounts. If SMS codes do not arrive, confirm your phone number is correct and your inbox is not blocking short codes. If email codes do not arrive, check spam, promotions, and filters. Then add TikTok domains to your safe sender list. Wait 10 to 30 minutes if you requested many codes because rate limits can temporarily block new codes. If you see account suspended or access denied, open your email and TikTok inbox for policy or verification messages. Complete any pending identity, business, or tax verification tasks because incomplete verification can restrict login. If you are logging in with a business account, confirm the account is not restricted by age, region, or policy status. If you use a managed account, ask the owner to re-invite you and set the correct role permissions in Seller Center. Check that you are logging in with the same method you used to register, such as email, phone, or TikTok account. If you recently changed your email or phone, update your recovery details inside TikTok and then retry Seller Center login. Remove saved passwords in your browser password manager to prevent auto-filling the wrong credentials. Restart your phone or computer to clear background processes that can interfere with security verification. If the page keeps loading, disable DO Secure DNS or try a different DNS like Google or Cloudflare temporarily. If you get a CAPTCHA error, refresh once. Then wait a few minutes because repeated attempts can trigger stricter checks. If you suspect hacking, change your TikTok password immediately and enable two-step verification in TikTok settings. Collect screenshots of the exact error message, the time, and the steps you try to speed up support. Contact TikTok Shop Seller Support from the Help Center and include your shop ID, region, and the screenshots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.